With your character loaded, we need some video reference. Shoot yourself doing something silly, don't use that. And we'll use that. Drag it into Blender to load it as a background image and align it behind your character. Check that automatic keyframe button, then typically it's easiest to start posing with the center pelvic bone. Twist the hips a little bit, pose the legs by grabbing the foot controllers and some rotating. A little hip twist and then just move up the body, posing the spine to line up with the video reference. Then pose the hand controllers, moving around in 3D space to make sure it looks good at all angles. And then move about 8 frames forward in the timeline and adjust the rig as needed to match up with the video reference again. Mainly just using the hand controllers and the foot controllers. And now we have some character movement. Another 4 frames in the timeline and we'll need one more pose here. So jumping to frame 1 with the bone selected, copy the pose, move forward in the timeline and paste the pose flipped. Now just repeat this process for the other 2 poses we created. You can add a little variation here. Then to make it a perfect loop, just copy your first keyframe and paste it at the end and adjust the timeline. And with a little tender love and tweaking, there's our cringe-worthy animation. Render it out as an animation and send it to Pixar. And if you didn't catch all that, I also just posted a 25-minute beginner animation tutorial on CG Geek.